Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create roles on a Discord server. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Discord, whether it is on a web browser or your application itself, and log in into your Discord account. And now simply go ahead and click on the server that you want to add or create roles to. And now all you need to do is click on the server and then click on server settings, and now this is where you want to click on roles right over here and click on create role. Once you've done that, as you can see, a new role is going to be created. You can name it whatever you want. You can also choose colors if you want to, and then all you need to do is simply go ahead into permissions, and this is where you can manage a lot of things like giving the or allowing them to view channels, manage roles, stuff like that. You can turn on or turn off. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.